Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very simple snack and I'm sure we all enjoy it while we go to watch the cinemas. Well, I'm sure you guessed it right, it's caramel popcorn. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So now I'm going to make the popcorn. You can either take a deep dish pot or you can do this in the pressure cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add 1 cup of dried corn kernels, which is used to make popcorn. Close the pot and wait for the corn kernels to pop. So keep the flame on medium while doing this. Once the corn has popped, just turn off the stove and transfer it into another bowl. So now I'm going to make the caramel sauce for the caramel popcorn. Add unsalted butter. The butter has melted. I'm going to add half cup of plain white sugar and half cup of brown sugar. Keep the flame on medium. As the sugar begins to melt, turn it off. Now you can see the sugar is completely melted. If you leave it longer, the caramel can become very dark and bitter. So as soon as the sugar melts, make sure you turn off the stove. To this, add a pinch of salt. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add a pinch of cooking soda. Quickly give it a mix. So next time you have a movie night at home, you can surprise your family and friends with this delicious and crunchy caramel popcorn. So do try and enjoy this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.